Welcome back. Now that you understand what a vision truly is and how it can guide your life, it's time to create your own. In this lesson, we'll focus on crafting a vision that's clear, inspiring, and aligned with your deepest desires. Remember, your vision is uniquely yours. It's about capturing who you want to be, what you want to do, and what you want to have. Creating a vision is more than just setting goals. It's about stepping into a future that feels real, motivating, and achievable. In this lesson, I'll guide you through the process of crafting your vision using I am statements, focusing on one specific area of your life. By narrowing your focus, you'll see more significant changes, not just in that area, but in other areas of your life as well. I'll provide examples to inspire you, but remember, the vision needs to come from within. You're the one writing your story. When you work on improving just one area of your life, other areas naturally start to improve. By focusing your vision on a specific aspect, like career, health, finances, relationships, or spirituality, you'll create a powerful ripple effect. A well crafted vision not only motivates you, but also sets the tone for your actions and decisions. Writing in present tense as I am statements brings that future closer to reality and reinforces the belief that it's already happening. Learn how to write your vision in a way that reflects who you want to be, what you want to do, and what you want to have. The key is writing it as if it's happening right now, using clear, specific language. I am is a statement that helps the mind and body get a clear picture of and direction to support you on your journey. When you think of something, your body may react to it. Whether it is past, present, or future, it doesn't know the difference. Therefore, we want to give it I am statements so it can help you create it and support you in achieving it. When we want to achieve something in our lives, we require the states of be, do, and have. Each one helps us get clear on where we're headed. Be gets our state clear emotionally and mentally. Do helps us take action toward what we want. Have, well, that's easy. Having what we set out to achieve. Each of these states help create a complete vision. When picking your vision, I want you to focus on one area of life: career, health, relationship, finances, family, or spirituality. Focusing on one vision allows your mind to give it all its resources towards that one and bring it to fruition. If you focus on several areas at once, each one is given the several sort of resources and bandwidth, and it can get lost on which one to focus on. Pick one, accomplish it, and then pick another one. If you are struggling to pick one area of life, remember that just because you pick one area doesn't mean the other areas won't improve. Life improves in all areas of life as we focus on one area. My advice would be to pick one that is the most triggering, scary, and challenging. This area is the one that needs the work, and focusing on this will make all the other areas easier to access. Let's craft your vision statement using the Life Design Canvas. Please download it below if you haven't already. The examples here are for inspiration, not to copy. Make sure your vision is original to you. Please take your time crafting your Life Design Canvas. This document should take you several sits or reviews before it is finalized. The first several times you sit down and write it are drafts to make sure that it feels good and you have written what you want. Each time you come back to it and read it, you will notice something that needs to be changed, added, removed. In today's ChatGPT AI world, once you have written it, you can ask ChatGPT to make sure that it flows well. Remember to let yourself dream big when you are crafting this. This is why I called it Life Design Canvas. You get to design your life. What if you could have anything you wanted? What would it be? We first start by writing down be statements. These describe qualities, values, or characteristics of who you want to become. These statements focus on your state of existence, identity, and inner qualities, regardless of what you are doing or what you have. Examples of be statements are I am confident and authentic. I am loving and present partner. I am resilient and adaptable in life's challenges. Next is writing down do statements. These describe actions or behaviors you engage in. They focus on the tasks and activities you perform day to day. These are what you want to be doing, not what you are currently doing. Example of do statements are I am exercising and nourishing my body consistently. I am learning and developing new skills. I am enjoying date nights with my partner. Next is writing down have statements. These describe the results, outcomes, or possessions you desire. They focus on what you want to obtain or achieve. Examples of have statements are I am 175 pounds, flexible, and strong. I have $250,000 in my bank account. I have a loving partner. Once you have your life design canvas completed, distill it into one powerful sentence that captures the essence of the change you want to create. Examples are I am making $250,000 per year. I'm in a loving relationship. I am 175 pounds, lean, strong, and flexible. Reflect on why you chose this specific area of life to focus on. Explore how making progress in this area could positively impact other areas of your life. Choose one area of life you want to focus on for the next 3 to 6 months. Use the life design canvas to focus on the be, do, have of your vision. To recap, you've now learned how to create a vision for your future using I am statements and the be, do, have framework using the life design canvas. You focused on one specific area of your life, crafted a clear vision, and have a one-sentence vision focus. This vision will serve as a guidepost for your actions and decisions to come. Reflection question number 1. How does writing your vision in present tense change the way you feel about it? Reflection question number 2. What area of your life did you choose to focus on, and why is it important to you? Reflection question number 3. How does your vision align with who you want to become over the next few months? That's it for this lesson. Get ready for the next lesson where we'll explore how to put your vision into action and begin making it a reality.